Hi everyone, back again. I managed to cool my drones down, so hopefully they'll be behaving better. Had them in the fridge and blew some hot air, some cold air over them with a fan. A couple of questions people ask me: why have I decided to do this as a live video and not edit it out and make it really slick? Two reasons: one, don't have software, straightforward. But another thing is that you may encounter things that I've already encountered and have issues with that, and doing it live like I am doing, I'll make mistakes, admit that, but then I know that what the mistakes I've made. So by making these mistakes live as they are, it shows you that I do know a little bit about what I'm doing, but also shows you the workarounds you can do. For example, the first one I didn't type in command and the drones didn't work. Second time my drones have overheated, so I need to cool them down. So things like that you will encounter in your life. I could simply edit out the error of not typing command and you'll never know about it, and then you'll be asking questions: why haven't you done something that's working? So you're learning from our mistakes essentially. So when you do go into the field, you're not without the tools that you need to fix it. So that's the reason why I'm doing this live, and I'm not editing nothing out at all, because I know how it feels like when you're in front of a classroom. You switch your drones on like I am. Drone 1, drone 2, thinking that they'll work, not really realizing they do get hot, or they run out of battery power even. So another thing is that if you have programmed your drones to do flips in swarm mode, if you go below a certain percentage of battery, they actually won't flip over. So that's another thing I learned, is if you're flipping, make sure you have got enough power for your drones. So carrying on from the previous lesson, connected on to my drones, going to my QPython I will on my phone. I love this program, it's really neat. I'm using this more and more now instead of using my laptop, because my laptop seems to be flaky now and again. So let's see, juggle this around. Two drones, one way in my hand. Press play, my little finger. Let's see what happens. Both connected. 1 and 2 connected. You can see it taking off. Both working together. Take off, flying forward. So the errors you're getting is due to me holding them down, but you can see it's working really well, and that's why I love this phone app. Is it gives you live data what's happening. I'll show you a bit closer. You can see that. It's really neat. Let me just turn it around this way. As you saw in the video, it took off, and because I'm holding them down, they've done silly things. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is show you the video I've done earlier on. But actually, you've seen the video. So the video of the drone swarming is already on my YouTube video. And you can see what it did. And to show you this wasn't a fluke, I'll run this script again. Disable that. So this is the 2 drone script, where you got 2 drones connected to your router. I don't know if this works at the moment because it's quite warm already. Click play. Don't cut my fingers. Play. Bigger fingers. Play. So you go into mode, take off, and as I'm holding them, I'll just switch them off straight away. You can see how well they're behaving. Screen there. And the only reason why they switched off is because I've turned it off. So if you are going to Swarm, it may or may not work on your laptop, and that's what I really found strange. Why is it working intermittently on my laptop, but when I use my phone it works every single time? So there may be something glitchy within my laptop or the command line, which I haven't looked at. But using the CubePython OL on my phone, it's worked every single time without fail. So this is what I'm using now to actually swarm my drones. I actually code any code on my drones now. I'm actually using this from scratch. But what you will find now is that your drones are now in router mode, and you won't be able to connect them at all to other systems. As mentioned before, if you want to make your drones work in normal mode, press and hold that button side till the lights goes off. It's flashing, flashing, flashing. We'll go for a second. Now it's gone off. Now you have reset the drone, and you can use it as a normal drone. So I'll switch it back on. Go to my mobile phone, and shortly it should appear in the network. Red light. Amber light. And there you go. Now it's out of AP mode and it's working as normal drone. So I'll connect to it. Prove it works. Go into my Python. Editor. Open a single script. You can see how quick this is. I can't recommend you using a mobile app enough. Just love it. Press play. And away we go. So let's see what it says. You can see it's working fine. Battery 68%. The temperature's gone up to 82 degrees centigrade. So this is how you can actually control your drones with your mobile app. Any questions, let me know. Again, please forgive me if you think I'm flaky or not professional. It's my first time I've actually used YouTube to do anything. So lessons learned. I made mistakes as I go along. I'm holding my hands up and say, yeah, I made mistakes, but again, this is how I learned the most. You learned from your mistakes more than doing things right. So hopefully you enjoy the videos. Again, feel free to ask me questions on here, and I will be launching more videos shortly, so even. So yeah, follow me on YouTube. You'll see what I'll be doing. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. And let's work together to make a better world.